Hi, my name is Surekha Gaikwad. I work as a data scientist in ResMed. Before that, I worked as a data scientist in Monash University. I also bring expertise in software development, where I worked in a couple of MNCs in India. I think my course is AI engineering with GI of AI was pretty incredible because I got to learn from the industry experts who bring a lot of expertise, more than 15 years of experience in the AI and ML space. So because I already come from the software development background, I do have expertise in data science. So I bring the blend of both expertise in the AI engineering space, which is the demand for this role. But the gap that I was having, that I come from the academic background for the data space, but I wanted to bring or learn those expertise in the industrial space, like learning the right tools, skill sets, so that I can build the systems which are more production ready and enterprise grade. So I think the dedicated sessions with the mentors and the hands-on that I bring from these trainers really helped me and brought that confidence that I can go into the industry and build the systems which are pretty AI engineering powered. Currently, there are a lot of AI myths going on into the market. And the one major AI myth is that AI is a superpower. It has a superpower. It's magic. It can do everything. You just, run the magical wand and it will do everything. So it's not like that. AI system still works on the data. So if you have a really good data, you can train the systems. They can think, they can logic, they can reason, and then they can give you the right output. So we are still not in that phase of reaching the AGI. Definitely we can reach that phase, but currently we are still in the process of building the systems which can at least think like human with 20 or 50%. There are a lot of issues that goes in when you build the production systems, like there's a security concerns, the ethical practices you have to follow, you have to monitor the pipeline so that we can test the system so that we can evaluate in a way that human think. So yeah, still we are not at that stage of reaching the AGI. So the hands-on approach in the AI engineering course with GI of AI was pretty good because I got to learn both the data engineering part and the AI engineering part. I got lots of hands-on in terms of building a data engineering pipeline and then use those data to build the agentic system.